All right, here we go. This little PW80, if you've been following, is a rescue. I got it from a buddy for 40 bucks and had a crack frame. So we're just getting it all dismantled here. Mostly made this video so I could remember how the wire harness goes. Sometimes that can be pretty confusing. But yeah, as you can see, this thing, you see the crack right there in the lower right hand corner, the crack in the frame. We did get it started up after we put a new top end in it, of course. That old top end was clapped out completely. But yeah, we did make sure it ran before we did the rest of the restoration. And here we're just, like I said, getting it all dismantled. CDI box and solenoid removal here. For the JIS screws, I'm just using a number 3 Milwaukee Phillips tip. I didn't realize we got to take the whole wire harness off to get the throttle cable up and to get the engine up.
Oh crap.
Yeah, well, either way, because it has to be reharnessed on the new frame. That's what I'm saying. All these Phillips are JIS, so I have to use a number 3 instead. Okay, they're Japanese heads. Yep, cool. So that's the engine. We'll remember which ones we pulled there. Okay, now our throttle come off, I believe. Nope. Still connected where? To the oil pump. So, let's see. We'll just take this one completely apart here. All screws back in their same. Same thread, because I lose them otherwise. I just don't trust myself. My memory is not that great. Oh yeah, we do. I want to see how they're routed. We do need the camera. That might not come out until the handlebars. Let's see. So I thought we could maybe make it easy and disconnect here in the middle where it splices to control both the oil pump and the throttle. But after taking it apart, this isn't really a good place to disconnect unless you have to. But we will use this spot to lubricate the cables. Spray some WD-40 in there. So I ended up taking off the oil pump cover, and then this cable is then disconnected from the oil pump. And now we'll disconnect the throttle cable. what we're left here with connected is the choke. Save all this stuff. All right, that's good on video, but no. That is just right. And then the other side, let's get one of these. Hopefully it fits. This can be, yeah, there you go. All right, if you made it this far, please like and subscribe. We got a lot more to come on this little PW.